Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to copy the path in File Explorer in Windows 10. So if you want to copy the full path of a selected item or address, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up File Explorer. So if you have the icon in your taskbar, you're welcome to open it up, or you can just search for it in the start menu as well. And then let's just say we want to navigate over to somewhere on our computer here just to make it a little bit interesting. So I'm going to go under Users, MD Tech, and let's just say we want to copy this address here. What we're going to do is press the Control and L key on our keyboard at the same time, or Alt and D. So again, Control L or Alt D at the same time. So one of those two combinations, I'll have them up on the screen again as well. So we're just going to go select the Control L, and you can see we have our path is now up on the top of the screen here. So you're welcome to just tap Control C to copy this, or you could right click inside this address field as well. Select copy from the context menu, and then you just go paste it wherever you want. So let me just open up a notepad file here just to demonstrate, and there you go, you have the path of the file. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.